There are things we do every single day, tiny habits, small choices, that silently cheapen our look. And the truth is, most of us do not even realize we are doing them. You could be wearing a beautiful outfit, have your makeup done just right, and still appear less polished than you actually are. All because of overlooked details that speak louder than words. Welcome back to Prime Melanin. Today we are uncovering 12 things that unknowingly cheapen your appearance, and how to fix each one with simple, elegant solutions that make you stand out for all the right reasons. Subscribe right now and hit that notification bell, and drop a comment telling me which of these 12 you think you might be guilty of. I want to hear your honest answer. Let us get into it. Mistake number 1. Wearing clothes that do not reflect your current stage of life. One of the biggest style traps Black women fall into is holding on to the fashion choices that once defined them, even when those choices no longer match who they have become. Maybe it is the same cuts, colors, or silhouettes that once felt exciting and youthful, but now seem slightly out of place. Dressing like the younger version of yourself can unintentionally send a message that you are clinging to the past instead of embracing the woman you are today, poised, confident, still evolving. True elegance comes when your style grows with you, not against you. Your wardrobe should tell the story of your strength, your wisdom, and your sophistication. Instead of wearing clothes that try to make you look younger, choose pieces that make you look your absolute best right now. Structured blazers that define your shape, skirts that move gracefully, fabrics that feel luxurious against your skin. When you dress for the woman you are, not the woman you were, you radiate authenticity, maturity, and a quiet confidence that no trend can replicate. Mistake number 2, overpowering perfume. A beautiful fragrance should draw people in, not push them away. Unfortunately, too many women overapply perfume, thinking that more means better. But a scent that lingers too strongly can feel overwhelming and actually cheapen your overall presence. The goal of a fragrance is to leave a soft impression, not a loud announcement. When your perfume enters a room before you do, it loses its allure and shifts from elegant to excessive. Think of fragrance as an intimate accessory, one that should only be noticed by those closest to you. Apply it lightly on pulse points, the wrists, and behind the ears, or a single mist in the air you walk through. Choose refined notes like vanilla, white musk, or soft florals that blend naturally with your skin. A scent that whispers rather than shouts tells the world that you truly understand sophistication. Mistake number 3. Excessive sparkle and rhinestones. Shimmer can be beautiful, but when overdone it loses its charm and begins to look artificial. Too much sparkle on clothing, accessories, or even makeup can make an outfit look loud instead of luxurious. Rhinestones, sequins, and heavy glitter finishes easily cheapen your overall look, especially worn during the day or paired with already bold pieces. True elegance lies in balance. Choose one element that catches the light. A delicate pair of crystal earrings, a watch with a soft metallic sheen, or shoes with a single hint of shimmer. When you let one statement piece stand out, your entire look feels intentional, graceful, and refined. Remember, class is not about how much attention you can draw. It is about how effortlessly you hold it. Mistake number 4. Overdone eyebrows or harsh makeup lines. Makeup is meant to enhance your natural beauty, not overpower it. When eyebrows are drawn too dark, sharply angled, or heavily filled in, they can harden your features and distract from your face's natural softness. Similarly, harsh contour lines or visible foundation edges create a mask-like effect that is anything but polished. These details might seem small, but they can instantly make your makeup look dated and heavy, rather than refined and graceful. The secret to a classy, elevated look is subtle blending. Choose brow shades that are slightly lighter than your hair color. Use light strokes to mimic natural hairs. Blend your foundation seamlessly into your neck. Softly diffuse blush and warm neutral tones bring harmony to your face. When your makeup enhances rather than competes with your features, you exude confidence, poise, and the kind of timeless beauty that never goes out of style. Mistake number 5. Neglecting your nails. Your hands reveal more about you than you might realize. Even the most elegant outfit can lose its impact if your nails are chipped, uneven, or dry. Neglected nails quietly signal a lack of attention to detail, and detail is where elegance lives. Well-groomed hands, on the other hand, speak of care, grace, and self-respect, regardless of the length or color. Keep your nails neat, clean, and consistently maintained. Choose soft, timeless shades like nude, blush pink, or clear polish that matches every outfit and every occasion. Moisturize your hands daily and care for your cuticles as part of your regular beauty routine. You do not need extravagant manicures or bold designs. Just clean, healthy nails that show you value presentation. Because true class is not loud. It is found in quiet, consistent care. Mistake number 6. Neglected handbags and shoes. No matter how put together your outfit is, worn out shoes or a scuffed handbag can instantly bring your entire look down. These are the finishing touches people notice first, and when they are cracked, dirty, or misshapen, they send a message of neglect rather than refinement. Even the most expensive outfit can appear cheap if your accessories are poorly maintained. Treat your shoes and handbags as investments. Keep leather polished. Clean the soles of your shoes regularly. Stuff your bags when storing them to maintain their shape. Rotate your favorites so none wear out too quickly. When your shoes shine and your bag looks structured and cared for, they elevate even the simplest jeans and blouse combination. Elegance begins in the details, and your accessories tell the world exactly how much attention you pay. Mistake number 7. Wearing clothes covered in loud logos. Wearing too many visible logos might seem fashionable, but it often does the opposite of what you intend. Instead of looking luxurious, it can come across as flashy, almost like you are trying to prove your style rather than simply express it. When every piece of clothing screams a brand name, the focus shifts away from you and onto the labels. True sophistication does not need to shout. It whispers quietly and confidently. Choose pieces that showcase quality through fabric, fit, and craftsmanship rather than branding. A beautifully tailored white shirt or a perfectly structured blazer will always make a stronger impression than a loud designer logo. Subtlety is the language of elegance, and when you choose understated designs, you project confidence. Because confidence does not need validation. It is the quiet assurance that your style speaks entirely for itself. Mistake number 8. Untidy outerwear. Your outerwear is the first thing people see. It sets the tone for your entire look before anything else is even visible. A wrinkled coat, lint-covered jacket, or pilling sweater can instantly make even the most polished outfit appear careless. Many women overlook their outerwear because they focus on what is underneath. But your coat or jacket frames your outfit. It is your very first impression. Keep your outerwear clean, pressed, and well-structured. Use a lint roller regularly, store coats on sturdy hangers, and give them a quick steam before wearing. Invest in timeless pieces. A tailored trench coat, a soft wool wrap, or a classic blazer in neutral tones like camel, navy, or charcoal. When your outerwear looks crisp and intentional, it communicates poise, care, and quiet confidence before you say a single word. Mistake number 9. Wearing the wrong undershirt or camisole. The right foundation can make or break an outfit, and nobody tells you this enough. When your undershirt or camisole is bulky, visible, or the wrong color, it immediately distracts from your look and makes even a beautiful blouse appear sloppy. A bright strap showing through a sheer top or a visible outline under a fitted dress quietly cheapens your entire appearance. Elegance always lies in what is unseen. The small seamless details that create a smooth, polished finish. Choose underlayers that blend effortlessly with your skin and clothing. Invest in nude or neutral tones that disappear under light fabrics and make sure your camisoles and slips fit snugly without adding bulk. Pay attention to necklines and straps so they remain completely hidden beneath your outerwear. When your base layer complements rather than competes, your entire outfit looks cleaner, sleeker, and far more sophisticated. The goal is simple: invisible support, visible confidence. Mistake number 10, ignoring proportions. Even with the most beautiful clothing, an outfit can look completely off balance if the proportions are not right. wearing oversized tops with wide leg pants, or pairing cropped jackets with long skirts can distort your silhouette and make your look appear awkward or unfinished. Proportion is what gives your outfit harmony. It is the difference between looking effortlessly put together and unintentionally sloppy. To achieve balance, focus on contrast and shape. If your top is flowy, pair it with something fitted in the bottom, and vice versa. Define your waist with a belt to create structure and elongate your frame. Pay attention to hemlines, sleeve lengths, and where garments fall on your body. When your outfit complements your natural proportions, everything looks more intentional. A well-balanced silhouette instantly communicates polished taste and timeless style. Mistake number 11. Overcompensating with labels or excessive bling. There is a fine line between looking elegant and appearing overdone. When every accessory sparkles, every logo is visible, or every single piece demands attention, the overall effect feels overwhelming and less refined. True class is not about showcasing how much you have. It is about how effortlessly you present it. Overcompensating with labels or excessive jewelry often reads as insecurity rather than sophistication, and it can quickly cheapen an otherwise beautiful look. Embrace the power of restraint. Choose one standout piece. A pair of statement earrings, a classic watch, or a delicate necklace, and let it shine completely on its own. The rest of your outfit should complement, not compete. Elegance thrives in simplicity and confidence. When you do not feel the need to announce your worth through your clothes, it becomes obvious that you already know it. Mistake number 12. Visible bra straps or poorly fitting undergarments. Nothing distracts from an elegant outfit faster than visible bra straps, panty lines, or undergarments that do not fit properly. These small oversights can make even the most sophisticated outfit look careless and unfinished. Undergarments are the unseen foundation of every single look. And when they do not support you correctly, or when they are peeking through, they quietly take away from your overall polish. Invest in quality lingerie that fits your body perfectly. Get professionally measured. Choose smooth and seamless fabrics. And always match your undergarments to your skin tone for an invisible finish. Use fashion tape or strapless options when necessary. When your undergarments enhance your shape instead of distracting from it, your confidence rises, your posture improves, and your entire look becomes effortlessly refined. Now let us go a step further, because looking polished is not only about avoiding the major mistakes. It is also about paying attention to subtle details that often go unnoticed, but make a lasting difference. Here are 9 additional ways to elevate your look and ensure you always present yourself with quiet confidence and timeless grace. 1. Style does not stop at what you wear. It continues in how you carry yourself. Slouching shoulders, restless gestures, or rushed movements can make even the most elegant outfit lose its impact. Good posture communicates confidence, poise, and presence. Stand tall. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Move with intention. When you carry yourself gracefully, you instantly look more polished regardless of what you are wearing. 2. Ill-fitting clothes, whether too tight or too loose, can ruin your entire look. Clothes that pull, bunch, or hang awkwardly give the impression of carelessness. Tailoring is the secret weapon of truly elegant women. Having pieces adjusted to your body makes even affordable clothes look custom-made. When your clothes fit perfectly, you look refined, comfortable, and effortlessly put together. 3. Your eyewear frames your face. And outdated or poorly chosen styles can unintentionally age your appearance. Old, scratched, or ill-fitting glasses can make you look less polished, even when your outfit is flawless. Choose classic shapes that complement your features. Soft cat eyes, tortoise shell, or rimless frames are timeless and universally flattering. A modern, well-chosen pair of glasses can instantly refresh your entire look. 4. Too many competing colors can make your outfit appear chaotic and less sophisticated. Elegance thrives in harmony. Stick to a cohesive palette of 2 to 3 complementary shades and balance bold hues with neutrals like beige, navy, or cream. When your colors flow together naturally, your outfit feels calm, intentional, and elevated. 5. Even the best designed piece can look cheap if the fabric feels rough, shiny, or thin. Whenever possible, invest in breathable, durable fabrics like cotton, silk, linen, and wool blends. High-quality fabrics drape beautifully, feel comfortable against the skin, and maintain their shape, giving your look a richness that speaks of timeless style. 6. Your hair is one of your most noticeable features. And when it looks neglected, it can make your entire appearance feel unfinished. Maintain a well-kept hairstyle that flatters your face shape and celebrates your natural texture. Regular trims, consistent moisture, and subtle color maintenance go a long way in keeping your look effortlessly graceful. 7. Heavy makeup during the day or exaggerated glamour for simple settings can feel overdone. Elegance is about balance. Your makeup should enhance your natural beauty, not transform you into someone else. For daytime, stick to fresh, minimal looks with neutral tones and soft definition. Save bolder styles for evening. Knowing when to dial it up and when to pull it back is a true mark of sophistication. 8. Accessories can either elevate or overwhelm your look. The right accessory gives your outfit dimension and completes it with subtle charm. A slim belt that defines your waist. A silk scarf that adds refinement without effort. The goal is to accent, not distract. 9. The smallest details make the biggest difference. Frayed hems, missing buttons, or loose threads may seem minor, but they instantly cheapen your appearance. Taking a few minutes to inspect and repair your clothes before wearing them shows intention and care. Iron, mend, trim where needed. A well-maintained wardrobe reflects pride in your appearance and communicates quiet sophistication before you even say a word. Here's what I want you to walk away with today. Looking polished is not about perfection. It is about awareness. Every small choice, from your perfume to your posture, from your nails to your neckline, shapes how you present yourself to the world. When you pay attention to the details, you elevate not just your appearance, but your entire presence. And for Black women over 50, who have already earned every bit of elegance they carry, these details are not rules. They are simply the finishing touches on a masterpiece that was always already there. Like this video, share it with a woman who deserves to feel this elevated, and subscribe to Prime Melanin if you are not already part of our community. Drop a comment telling me which of these 12 mistakes surprised you the most. I read every single one. Your next video is already on the screen. Click it because we are just getting started.